Hi everyone, this is Caleb, and this video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to upload files from your computer to your Google Drive. So first thing you want to do is open up your drive, which you've got open here, and a couple of things to note really quickly. You have two options when you upload a file. You can upload the file as is, like let's say you're uploading a Word file, it'll upload it as a Word, or you can have a setting turned on in your drive to automatically convert whatever file you're uploading to its Google equivalent. I would recommend the latter option because this way you don't have multiple files in your Google Drive at one time that you might have to convert later. So I will show you how to do the automatic conversion. So you're going to go to your settings icon, which is a gear. You're going to click on it, click on settings, and you're going to make sure that convert uploads is checked. So this will convert upload files to the Google Docs editor format. So you just want to make sure that that blue check mark is there. So once you've done that, hit done. Go over to your drive. This is my drive. You're going to right click. You'll click on upload files, and this will pull up a file browser. And so in this is where you're going to find the file you want to upload. In our case, it's in my documents, and we're going to click this Word file, Google Drive test upload. We've selected it. We're going to hit open. Then you'll see a status bar down here in the right hand corner. It'll show you the upload progress. Depending on the size of your file, it may take longer to upload. You can see that ours is already complete. And if you look here, this W means this was uploaded originally as a Word file. But once we click on it, we can see that now it's been converted into a Google Docs format. So there you have it, pretty quick way to upload files from your personal computer to Google Drive. Always, if you have any questions, reach out to myself or Gerald at the technology department. We'd be glad to help you. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day, and go Eagles.